Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee like Starbucks. First, understand that quality ingredients are paramount for a superior cup. Begin by choosing fresh, whole coffee beans, ideally a medium or dark roast. Next, ensure you are using filtered water, as tap water can introduce off flavors. Finally, pay close attention to your grind size. It significantly impacts extraction and taste, varying for espresso versus a French press. To replicate that Starbucks experience, you'll need the right tools. An espresso machine is perfect for lattes and cappuccinos, but a French press can also yield a robust brew. Always start with freshly roasted, whole coffee beans. Aim for a medium to dark roast for that signature taste. A burr grinder is highly recommended over a blade grinder, as it ensures a consistent particle size, which is vital for even extraction. Achieving that perfect cup involves precise brewing techniques. For espresso, pre-infuse your coffee grounds for about 30 seconds to allow them to bloom, releasing more flavor. For any method, maintain your water temperature between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. Adjust your brewing time according to your equipment. A French press might steep for 4 minutes, while espresso pulls in 25 to 30 seconds. Now for the fun part, customizing your coffee. Add steamed milk or cream for a velvety texture, creating lattes or cappuccinos. You can also experiment with various syrups like vanilla or caramel, or spices such as cinnamon, to craft your signature drink. Don't forget to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Enjoy your perfectly brewed, personalized coffee creation right at home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.